sa energy this afternoon. Come on guys! 10 players! Wow! Wow, mga artistahin ng datingan, ha? Ang gaganda naman ng mga taga-synchrony. Alright! O, diba? Ay, pwede na sumali sa Binibining Pilipinas itong mga to. Kasing gaganda ko. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kulang pa po ng girls. Ayan, humabol bang isang magandang babae dyan? And dalawa pa pong pogi to start the game. Yes, there you go. Another beautiful lady here. And what about you?
Lovely.
Hello, lovely. You're so lovely. And your name is?
Sydney.
Hello, Sydney. And what about you?
Rachel.
Hello, Miss Rachel. And ito naman po ang nagagwapuhang mga lalaki sa aking tabi. Let's meet them. Your name, please?
Kurt.
Hello, Kurt. What about you?
Troy po.
Hello, and you?
Ari po.
Hello, and what about you?
Friends.
Friends. Okay, isa pa pong lalaki. Kailangan ko pa po ng bola. The mechanics of this game, and before I tell you what to do, I want you to think and compose a short cheer to start the game. To check your energy as well. And also you, team 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thank you so much. And we're done. Jack and Poy, let's see kung sino po yung gustong mauna. Jack and Poy, hindi lang kasi uso ngayon ng ladies first. So Jack and Poy na lang. Ang matalo, yan ang mauuna. Jack and... Okay, isang bagsak lang po. Jack and Poy. Excited sila yan. Alright, bataw pick. Bataw pick. Alright, so kayo po ang natalo. So kayo po ang mauuna. Isang malakas na palakpakan for Team A! So please, step forward. And in 3, 2, and 1.
5, 6, 7, 8. Di madala sa O. Di madala sa A. Di madala sa U.
Wow, dinaan tayo sa Alright, what about Team B? Please, move forward. Move forward. Naku, kung sila may let's see Team B kung anong kanilang ni-ready. In 3, 2, and... Hindi pa po. Let me know, ha? Kay Chara. Ayaw na ni Sir, formal daw. Oo, family day, seryoso daw. Sige, mag-usap muna kayo. Gisingin nyo na lang ako pag tapos na, ha? Alright. Our first fun game. Balik tayo sa pagkabata. On our first game, okay,